So here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for today. This is December 14th, and $120.26 worth of goods. It's all said and done. I had a $15.07 overage moneymaker. And so there's 13 deals here, and I wanted to get this video out because a lot of these deals will be good till next week. So that's the week of December 16th to December 22nd, or December 15th to December 21st. A lot of these deals will be good till December 17th, which is Friday. Today is Tuesday. And oops, I did it again. I had to do another haul this week. So let me get into the 13 good deals I got, and I wanted to work up to get this happy gift card, which gave me $10 off my total, which definitely helped because I was way over $50. Get right into this stuff we got. I did some of these deals before. Hungry Jack, these are $1.39. They're on sale for $1. So there's from the Smart Source 11.7. There's $1 off coupon, limit of 1, so makes that 0. So what else we got? Jove water. Next deal here, $2.49 is the regular price. It's on sale this week for $1.50, which is great because there's a manufacturer printable for $1 off. All the links to print the coupon, detailed breakdown below as always. So giving you that, and that is $1.25 came back in IBOTTA, so took advantage of that, made that a 75-cent money maker right there. Cetaphil baby wipes. Did this deal and I did it again. So these are regular price for $5.49. So you can do this deal all the way till Friday. So it's a $5.49. I got 2 of them with the tax. Comes to $11.80. And this breakdown, as always, I include the tax. I want to keep it real, give you a real accurate moneymaker of $15.07. Moneymaker is accurate, very accurate. So I got a manufacturer printable. You go to their website. I got the link to print all the coupons. The links are below. The link to print the coupon and a detailed breakdown is below as always. So it was a $2 off, and now they're giving you, take a little survey, answer a couple questions or whatever. They give you $4 off manufacturer printable. I was able to print 2 of them, and there's a limit of 2 on those, so that really helps because as well there is a $6 off store coupon. Now this says on qualifying Cetaphil cleanser, moisturizer, sun, and baby purchase. Of course, that's a baby item. But since it didn't specify a size, they were hesitant to take it. But they said they'd take it this time, so be wary of that. But anyways, all said and done, it was $11.80 for that, and used 2 of those $4 off manufactured printables. That takes $8 off, and use the store coupon, $6 off at 2. So you're looking at $2.20 overage moneymaker right there. So that's a good one. That'll be good till Friday. So get on that and do that. Another good deal here, Advil Infant. These are $5.39. And there's a store coupon that takes $2 off. There is a Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off, so that makes that $1.39. And so I got kind of lucky here because, as you can see, they refunded it because it was expired. So I went up there and said, hey, this is expired. So that gave me a $4 overage. Obviously, I had another one, so I put it up here to do the video. But that is what happened today. So, always check expiration dates. You might get lucky on that. Usually I'll tell you to get another one, but she just refunded me with cash. So that was good. Anyways, another great deal. This is a great deal. So you can do this all next week. And I can't promise that, but that's the way it looks. $5.07 these are. And for 4 of them with tax comes to $21.80. But they're on sale this week. 2 for $5. So when I bought 4 of them, it was $10 plus the tax, came to $10.75. And there's a manufacturer printable. I got the link to print that coupon below as well. So that's $4.99 for that. $4.99 off of 2 and limited 2. So I was able to use 2 of those. So made that only 77 cents. But it got better than that. There's a digital coupon that says buy one get one free. So that took $2.50 off. So I don't know if that will work for you guys because at first it didn't work, and then she manually put in the other $4.99 off. So it made me $1.73 overage on that. This deal unfortunately is going away, but I had to do it one more time. These are $4.49 BOGO, so for 4 of them it cost me $17.96. However, since they're BOGO, they cost $8.98. And from the Smart Source, December 5th is $2 off, or there's a Blinky for $2 off. So that should be right in front. They're right in front. They're in the deli section, so that's right in front there of the item. And use 4 of them. They only cost me 98 cents. Now that deal will be going away in 2 days, but if you haven't got it, get it. Also, unfortunately, this deal will be going away in 2 days, but I want to at least tell you about it. So if you can run out and get it, you watch my videos, you subscribe to my channel, you get these videos right as I do them, turn the notification on, you will be able to do this deal. It is $5.99, so for 4 of them comes to $23.96. They're BOGO, so that comes to $11.98, which is a great deal. And if you live in true BOGO, there is this manufacturer printable, and as you know, I got the link to print that below. So in true BOGO, which is pretty much the state of Florida, that takes $5.99 off, and I was using 2 of those, so made those 0. So it's $11.98, $5.99 off, and $5.99 off. Cost me nothing. Keep it going. The Maille mustard did this deal last week, and it came back in IBOTTA. So these are $3.99 is the regular price. On sale for $2.99. There's a $1.50 off digital coupon, and there is 75 cents off from IBOTTA. Some might have $1 off from IBOTTA. You'll do better than me on that. And there's 10 cents off any item. Only cost me 64 cents for that. Tepache, specialty drinks kind of section. These are kind of hard to find, but I was able to find it. $2.49 or $2.50 is the regular price. They're on sale for $1.50, but it doesn't matter. Publix digital coupon takes for a free one, takes, you know, whatever price it is off, so that cost me 0. Keep it going. The Airwick. So these are, this deal will be good next week. These $2.79 is the regular price. You buy 3 of them, you add the tax, come to $9, and there's a Publix digital coupon for $3 off. And there's also manufacturer printable for is a limited 2. So I was able to use 2 manufacturer printables for $3 off, and the 1 Publix digital coupon for $3 off. Made those 0. Also check your coupons.com app if you haven't used it. I used mine already. There's also $3 back from that, so you could have a $3 money maker. You do better than me, but mine, they were 0, 0, 0. Also checkout 51 actually has $2, so check out checkout 51. If you still got that in there, you could probably use it on those guys. I had used mine already. All right, last thing, Florostor. These are great deal, $19.99. They're on sale for $9.99. I'm not sure when this deal will be over with. There's an $8 manufacturer printable, making that only $1.99. And also, I did this early in the week, and it was in IBOTTA and it was in coupons.com. That was like a $12 moneymaker on that. So check your IBOTTA if you still have that in there, and you print that coupon and check your coupons.com app. They gave me $8 back on that. So that was a great deal earlier this week. And as you know, I was adding all the way up to get this get this happy gift card. If you spend $50 in groceries, as you see, I was well over that. You get $10 off this happy gift card, so that took $10 more off my total. So making my $15.07 overage. Let's get to a couple more deals that I did not do, but I did them earlier, so I wanted to tell you about them. If you are interested, you could do this deal. It's a Publix digital coupon for a free one. It's $1.25 off. Takes $1.25 off. You still got that. Use that one. This one also is a Revlon nail clipper. Regular price is $2.79. With tax comes to about $3, and it's on sale for $2.19. With tax came to $2.30. $1.50 off from the winter savings booklet, so that made that only 80 cents. So once again, 52 weeks a year, every week paid to shop, every time paid to shop. So please subscribe. This funny looking guy right there, so you can get paid to shop and get these videos right away when they come out, so you can do these deals, because sometimes coupons are out of print, sometimes the sale goes away. So more times I got paid to shop there, or videos that I just did to get paid to shop there. And as I said, I'm trying to Post a video every week. Posted a couple this week because there was a lot of good deals. So hopefully these videos help you.